Hello, Bill.
Hello.
Hello, Mudmai.
Hi.
Hello, Mokfah.
Hi.
Hello, Ahpah. Hi guys, thanks for coming today. Our group discussion will be about disaster. So let's see how much we know about disasters. Any ideas?
I have learned that there are two types of disaster, but I can't remember. Who can remember?
If I'm not wrong, Teacher B says there were natural disaster and man-made disaster.
Yeah, you are right. Did you see the news about the flood?
Yes, I did.
This was India, right?
Yes, wasn't it awful? Did you see the videos?
Yes, it looked very scary.
Was no electricity. Yeah, and the tourists were sleeping in the airport.
They may be there for days, I think.
Yeah, sure. That's terrible.
Guys, I think we should get back to our topic and try to finish the assignment.
That's a good idea. Bill, you are assigned to prepare some examples of the natural disaster.
Okay.
And you, Mudmai, man-made disasters.
Okay.
And I will prepare the presentation for everyone.
Guys,
That's great idea. That's great, thank you.
guys, I got it now. Here are some examples of natural disaster. Earthquake, flood, hurricane, tornado, volcano eruption, forest fire, tsunami, landslide, drought.
And how about man-made disasters? Have you finished?
Yeah, smart. The earth. Here we go. There are pollution, war, global warming, deforestation, oil spill, extinction.
Great job, guys.
Finish! Our beautiful presentation is done.
Awesome!
Everything is finished. Go home.
No!
Let's find something to eat.